As I said earlier, I'm here because of Naduzih, the prince of Obagwosili kingdom. The elders and the people gathered to crown him king after the death of his father. He collapsed right in front of the people and the elders. I was told that everything is possible at Bakaland. Someone directed me to you. What are we doing here?
Those that told you everything is possible in our Bakaland didn't lie.
Okay.
Indeed, everything is possible.
Okay. So, what is this place?
This is the sacred Akpaka stream and its source of powers in Akpaka. If you fetch from this water, your prince shall be better once he drinks the water.
I'm a warrior, let me remind you. Telling a warrior to fetch water is nothing. It's the easiest, anybody can do that. But if you insist,
you can go.
What's this?
He is the dragon of Akpaka. He is the warrior deity of the stream. He will not allow anyone to fetch freely from the stream.
What do I do? What do I do?
Beat the dragon and fetch the water.
Is that ever possible?
Some men have done it in the past and they succeeded. Now listen to me. That water will save your brains. Now go and fetch the water.
See, I don't have any intention to sell the water and make money. See, I want to use it to save a dying man. Just that. Please, let's cooperate. Just to save a dying man. Yes. Is to save the prince of Obagwosili kingdom. Please.
If the prince of Obagu is saved for one lion's sake, then I should be part of the solution, not part of the problem.
His father is Ezugo Belonoji, and he is our crown prince. We had gathered that very day for him to select a maiden as wife before we crown him as king, when he suddenly collapsed before everybody. And since then, he has been sick. We have sent for all the medicine men in our kingdom, and none has been able to make him rise. We learned you are the greatest, and that's why we sent for you. What do we do? Blue eyes. The evil lady with blue eyes. What do you mean by blue eyes? And who is this lady with the blue eyes?
The impression I get is that you do not love me, you do not trust me, and you do not want to have anything to do with me. Do you mind telling me why it is so?
My name is Prince Naduzih. I am from Obiago Sili. I do not know how I got here. I also do not know what I'm doing here.
You sound as if you have a choice. I spent a lot of spiritual energy to bring you down to this place. You were to select a maiden in your kingdom and be crowned king, but I stopped it because you were all that I see, and I want to make you mine.
I'm sorry. I must marry from my kingdom because that's the only way I can be king.
You don't know? I am Ugbana, the bright morning star that shines in Urukbeleke. You consumed me from afar, and I want to make you mine. Do not stand in front of me. I repeat, do not stand in front of me talking about others.
I'm sorry, but I cannot be yours.
Do not drag it, Prince Naduzih. It is not possible for anyone to have a man who has already consumed me. Accept to be mine, and I shall be forever happy.
I am Prince Naduzih, heir apparent to the throne. I cannot possibly accept your proposal because it's an act of a prince selling his birthright. I'm sorry, I cannot do that.
What I get from what you just said is that you value the throne of your land more than me.
I am a man who would eventually be king. I do not make empty promises. I appreciate your offer, but I'll certainly not remain here. Don't worry about me, I can find my way home.
Do not start what you cannot finish. You belong to me. Accept to stay here with me, and there shall be no need for us to fall apart.
Why are you making a case out of nothing? I am not laboring to finish anything with you because I never started anything in the first place. So allow whatever sensation that triggered into you to die, because it will yield nothing. Don't worry about me, I can find my way back home. Thank you very much.
Blue eyes. Evil lady with blue. All your medicine men have not found any solution because this sickness is anchored in the separation of the body and the spirit. Obifi, please, what do you mean by that? Can you explain to us, please? The prince that came back was not the prince she invoked to her enclaves. The body that is lying before us is absolutely useless because the spirit that moves the body is in Urubeleke with Obana. For the prince to be well again, his spirit must be recovered from her.
Let it not be that the prince is dead after all, because that will break my heart.
The prince is not dead. What do you have in that cup?
Oh, this is the sacred water from sacred Akbaka stream. I fetched it from the Akbaka stream. A man from Akbaka named Dikeh directed me to the stream where I survived the fire and the chase of the dragon. I took the risk for the prince. So let's make him drink this water. He'll be fine.
The prince's spirit is somewhere else. It is not all about water, but war! War!
Why are you talking as if you don't know the stream from which this water was fetched?
The maidens must challenge the evil lady with blue eyes, and you others must fortify them to overcome the terror of blue eyes. Once the caged prince set his eyes on the maidens of his land, he will be well again.
You and you, don't you ever allow the prince drink this water. We have enough problems in our hands already. We don't want to complicate issues.
Oh no!
It's amazing that the clothes I arranged for you fits perfectly. I am finally ready. What are the questions you want me to answer?
I do know you're a beautiful woman. I also do know we live here together. But my questions are, how did we meet? Are we from the same land? How long have we been here together?
It gladdens my heart when you ask these questions. It reminds me you're still my virgin.
You're virgin? What do you mean by that? I don't even know who you are. How dare you call me your virgin?
Over. Her name is Ifedima. She is the only sister that I have, and I trust her absolutely. I must answer her immediately. Few moments, please.
You have been living with this man for 1 month, and you haven't done anything with him. I don't understand it. Don't you like him enough to make him brace the woman in you?
Says who? Do you know how much energy, how much power I spent to invoke him from Obagwo Osili down to this place? He is my life. I love him with everything in me.
You love him with everything in you, and yet you haven't let him touch you at least once. I find that difficult to believe. But I have a solution. I have come to take him to my place and get him ready for you.
Ifedima, there is nothing you can possibly do. The physical component is lying sick in Obagwo Osili Kingdom. And that sickness is as a result of the separation that I induced. When the two components come together again, it will be fine.
Oh, no. You don't need to spend longer time working on it, because I can do it immediately. Ubana, allow me take him to my place, and I shall get him ready for you.
Not this man. I will not let you have access to him. I'm sure you don't want us fighting because of a man.
Ubana, wait.
If you want the prince to drink this water, it will be on one condition.
Which is?
Go and get Ono. Get him to vacate his order. But as far as this order is still in existence, I'm sorry, I will stick to that.
You are the woman with the blue eyes. What are you doing here? Run for your life. I rule my destiny and you cannot stop me. Stop you from doing what? I heard you have been manipulating the police. You better leave here now before I shout. Ha! Your spiritual component has been useless to me because you are here. You are leaving with me to Orukpeleke today. I need your physical component to consummate it.
Who are you and what are you doing there, my friends?
Who are you? What is your mission here?
I do not know what you have in you that made you survive the power in the wave. But I am living with the prince today and you cannot stop me.
You lie.
Ouch! 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 My prince.
That's the evil woman with the
What kind of water was that? And who was that man that my power could not bring down? I am not just any woman that you can scare. I am Ugbana, the bright morning star that shines in Urukpeleke. Who are you? Are you for me or are you against me?
You are still wet on the account of my water I was thrown at you. I came to take my water back. You are not qualified to have my water.
Were you the one that gave them the water that burnt hot? Who are you?
If you don't want to experience my burning flame, then you must give me your clothes and go back naked. My water cannot go with you to Beleke.
Oh please, you must be joking. What makes you think I would go nude before you? Huh? I am too precious. Too precious for a beast like you. Get out of my way. Are you the same with the creature that just poured fire on me? Count yourself lucky you were not consumed by the fire. Who are you? And what are you doing in my territory? I should be the one asking all the questions. I am Egodi, the maiden warrior of Obiagu Osili, where you came to steal the prince of the land. Who gave you the effrontery to come into my territory? Lay no claim, for you have no territory. Prince Naduzih is mine. I must have him. Go back and tell that creature that poured fire on me exactly what I said. I must have him or I kill him. Survive the sword first before you look for someone to kill.
What is this? Strange woman with blue eyes. A lady with the strength of a man. I humble myself before you.
Ozowalo, I have said it to you countless of times that I do not like to be addressed the way you greet me. Forget the fact that our ancestors have given me strength. I am still a woman. Should I decide to get married today, it is men that will give my hand out in marriage. Men must not humble themselves before me.
I tell you, with this kind of humility, you will go places.
The last time you were here is when I killed the leopard that wanted to devour the chief priest. Why are you here?
We confronted a strange woman in the palace today. She came to steal the prince. If not for the water I fetched from Apaka stream, which I poured on her, she would have succeeded. I came to tell you, because you are a warrior now. Every warrior should be on alert.
What strange woman? Describe this woman you speak of.
She was in white attire, looking angelic. But I tell you, there was nothing angelic about her. From what I saw today, she's evil, deadly. Significantly, she has blue eyes. I've never seen a human with blue eyes before.
Blue eyes?
Yes.
Very funny.
Funny? You mean what I've just told you is funny? How?
Ozowalo, I appreciate your visit. I shall get to the root of this. Why are you doing this? Why are you looking at me like this? I'm doing everything possible to make you happy and make you smile. Why act as if you do not know what I'm doing?
It has nothing to do with you. It's all about me.
What do you mean by all about you? How?
I believe I am not here. This is not me. I cannot feel myself. You labor day and night to make me happy. But I am not happy because I know I do not belong here. Can't you free me?
Who are they? How long did they stay here? And why did you give them attention to brainwash you?
I do not know what you're talking about. I asked you a question. Can't you free me?
Some people came here in my absence and fed you with lies with which you are confronting me now. Who are they?
It is very unfortunate that you have abandoned the issue at hand to chase after shadows. I asked you a question. Can't you free me?
What do you mean by can't I free you? Are you of the belief that I am holding you down here?
I wake up day and night with you. Naturally, we ought to have been bonded as one. But as you know, we are oceans apart. I believe I do not belong here. I also believe you have the powers to free me. Please, free me.
The prince.
Egodi. Ono and ma of going to Urubeleke.
You're welcome. I see war looming, and I have been asking myself, why are you so interested in mere mortals?
It is my personal life, and I do not like it when people like you start discussing me without information of my true feelings.
Are you sure you still remember where you are sitting? You are sitting before the almighty Kinga in the tree temple.
Of course I know where I am, and I know you very well, Ikenga. I also know the kind of man that I want. He is the one that I have already invoked from Obagwosili. I want to make him mine. I need to merge his spirit and his body so he can be of use to me. Please, I need you to help me achieve this.
You are not a woman in the real sense of the word. You are half human and half spirit. But if you so desire a man, then you must look at men like us, who are of the same spiritual dimension with you.
Why are you doing this, Ikenga? Why? I have already told you before that you cannot have me. I expected that you would have stopped. I also cannot have anything to do with the god of iron anymore because he constantly treats me like a sex slave. I need a man who would understand my feelings and treat me like a woman. That is the man I already have. All I ask of you is please, assist me to achieve this.
The dragon of the sacred Apaka stream is interested in the man you have, for he is in agreement with his father, and he would do everything spiritually possible to prevent you from having him. If you would take my advice, free that young man and cage another.
I am sorry, Ikenga, but that will not be possible. He is the one that I want, and I'm ready to do anything to make him mine.
I see the maidens of Obagosili coming for their prince, and eventually you would seek for help. But help will be far away from you. Do not box yourself into that tight corner, Ubana. Free the prince and cage another.
I do not need another. He is the one that I want. Ikenga, please. What must I do to make him mine completely?
Very well then. You shall use all the powers within your disposal to prevent the maidens from coming here. You must prevent the prince from setting his eyes upon the maidens. For once he sees them, your grip on him will disappear, and he would join forces with them. However, you can stop this from happening by making sure that the prince does not see them.
Good. Good. Yay! Go ahead, Neba.
I know who you are! My only enemy in the world. I brought you here.
Why are you starting an unnecessary war? Your priest has told you the way forward.
Who are you?
Free the man you caged and look for another you can cage for your sexual pleasure. Why have you decided not to do that?
I cannot be intimidated. Show yourself and tell me why you are interfering with my affairs. The war has been perfected in the spiritual. The evil woman with blue eyes has bitten more than she can chew. It came to me when I was alone in my place. Now, it has come again as I sat with you. It may be coincidence, but this coincidence is good for me. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this, I ask again? Why are you here? Why are you interfering with what I am doing in my territory? You were constantly throwing fire at me. And why would you free a girl that I spent so much energy to invoke?
You will never be able to invoke her again. I'm now involved in this because his father once made this very zenith of sacrifices in my stream. I vow to protect his children.
And what is my business with what you have with a dead man?
That man you are holding is the son of the same man I made a promise to. Release him to go and select a wife and be crowned king, or I shall have reasons to frustrate you to your second death.
You are a liar! I know what you represent. You have been demystified. The highest you can do is throw fire at me. But you can see, your fire had no impact just now.
Do not rely on what your priest told you because it does not even know me. You fail to do as I said, I shall uproot this tree. When this tree goes, you shall not have any useless place where someone gives you fake hope.
Of all the men in the world, I chose him. I spent so much energy to invoke him just to satisfy my pleasure. Why are they coming for him?
The dragon of Akaka regretted attacking the warrior that went to fetch water from his stream. Had it been he knew whom the water was meant for, the dragon wouldn't have attacked Ozawaru. On his own, the dragon has volunteered to help a god. What we need do now is to fortify her for the journey.
They were beautiful maidens. Maidens of my land. Looking so glorious, asking me to come. Standing in the fire.
Why are you encouraging them? Why in the world would you leave your position of power to attend to some maidens without my consent?
There is something about those maidens. Something that connected me to them. The same connection I can never have whenever I'm with you. When can I see them again?
What you saw was a mirage. Something that had no meaning. Something that was to distract you from the peace and happiness that you would get when we finally bond. Forget them.
I can never forget those maidens. Their mission here was a success that left an instant impression in me.
Tell me, am I not gorgeous? Am I not beautiful? Look at me. Am I not made in the caliber of queens? Make one move and experience the sensation of a woman of power.
What is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you trying to seduce my man?
I believe you know what that means, my dear. Our man is the man, and it is our duty to make him the man. My friend thinks I am seducing you, but she's wrong. I am not seducing you because you are mine.
What is wrong with you? Do you want me to kill you finally?
Both of you are the same. Those maidens are totally different from you. They said nothing to me, but we instantly bonded. We instantly connected. But you have been throwing everything at me. But the man in me has refused to respond. I do not belong here. I do not belong here.
You pushed me because I was using my powers to bring out the man in him. I don't understand it. Does it mean you don't need me? Huh? Can you do this alone?
Ifedima, you weren't using your powers. You were seducing him, and that is not right.
So, by that statement, are you implying that you don't need me? Ubana, come out clear and say it.
I never said I can do this all alone. I need you. But you have to stop throwing yourself at him. He is my man. And even if you must have him, do me the honor to take him first.
To tell you the truth, I am not so bothered about who takes him first or last. The important thing is that we have him here to ourselves. But to make him useful, we have to locate where his body is in Obergosili and bring it here. His body is what we need.
I already did that and got exposed to evil water that nearly killed me. He is a prince and has lots of things protecting him.
If that's the case, we have to open up to Ikenga. He is the one to guide us.
I have been to Ikenga. And he has told me what to do.
What then did he tell you?
He said they are coming for him. And I must stop them from entering this land.
Ikenga told you that. What then are we waiting for? We should be planning on how to embark on this journey. Ubana, you know that I, Ifedima, do not believe in sitting to defend. I believe in attacking my opponents. And I'm sure that's what Ikenga wants us to do.
Traveling to stop them is not the problem. Knowing the exact route with which they will follow is the problem. And that is why I haven't made any move yet.
No, I expected you insist on what I suggested. The fact that she's killed a leopard doesn't mean that she's not still a woman.
I don't think we should stay and be arguing here. Whatever guide it is you want to give to the maidens, Mwanisi has already been commissioned to fortify them for this journey. And he's going to go and meet them at the border. Okay?
Show yourself.
Stand where you are.
I made him blind because I don't want him to see them when they come.
That is not what I told you. Use your powers to prevent them from coming near where he is.
I do not know where they are coming from. That is why I have not embarked on a journey to stop them. Ifedima is even ready to assist me, but we don't know where to go.
Spend just half the energy you spent to invoke the prince of Obagosili, and you will know exactly where they are. Stop continuing to disappoint the goddess of the sea that made you one of our apostles.
I saved you from her blindness because I know you need your sight. You said you would like to see me. You saw me and finally started to run. Why did you run? And where are you running to?
I don't know what to call you, but I'm surprised you're the one talking to me.
This is the very first time I'm seeing a creature talk to me in form of a man.
I'm very sorry for running away. It won't happen again.
I'm doing all these because of your father who made the zenith of sacrifices in my shrine.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
told you to leave me alone, but you will not listen. Do you know where we are now? In the ocean, under the world, a place where your fire shall have no effect. You will remain here until I have fulfilled my destiny.
I have nothing against your destiny. My problem is that you are caging a man that has his own destiny, and I want you to free the man. Free him to go and you can pursue your destiny with another man.
I cannot free him because he is my destiny. I will give birth to a child that will rule the world. And that man that you want to wrestle off my hands will father that child.
That man over there cannot father a child through you because you are cursed. You are a fallen angel, and you cannot ruin a man who is under my custody.
I have an affiliation with the goddess under the sea. This is my territory, and you cannot ruin my happiness.
I am not affiliated to a god, for I am a god myself. Free that young man before the stream will swallow the ocean.
The stream? Swallow the ocean? What does that mean?
It will happen suddenly, and you will discover that a small stream that has a source is mightier than the sea that has no source and has no taste.
Oh, please, tell that to the birds.
Who's there? Who's there? I can hear a sound.
A creature was talking to me a while ago, and suddenly the ground opened before my eyes and this creature sank into it. And I went blind. And now that you're here, the ground is closed, and I have regained my sight. There's a whole lot I cannot reconcile.
Are you saying I have something to do with the creature you saw?
I should be the one asking you that question because it is certain you know a lot. So tell me, what do you have with that creature?
I haven't accepted knowing the creature you're talking about. So why would you ask me what I have to do with it? What? Why are you looking at me like that?
By all standards, you're a very beautiful woman. The sun rises and sets in your eyes.
For 3 uninterrupted days, I have come to you to talk with you. You will not answer me. I was wondering if you have abandoned us to die.
Was a man that came here and made the zenith of sacrifices. An evil woman has finally caged his son. It's my duty to free that son of his. I've been involved in that. Go back and tell the people that Akpaka is safe.
And we take your word on that.
You have my words already. The son of a king is not even supposed to go missing in a foreign land. We are not talking of just any king. We are talking of a king that submitted under my authority and humbly asked for my protection. even as I am working for him now. Tell my people that I have not abandoned them. Akbaka is safe.
Thank you.
Of our land. I bow in Britain.
Maiden of our land. What do I honor this visit?
I came to make an inquiry on the mission to save the prince. I was supposed to be part of the journey, but I was finally sidelined.
I will cut! And I will cut recklessly! It is better you show yourself right now, or stand the chance of being cut into pieces with this Anike that was passed on to me from generations of warriors. Show yourself!
I came to you in peace. I never wanted to hurt any of you because you didn't do anything to me. Why did you attack me?
I am sorry. Please forgive me. I acted in self-defense. I thought you came to harm us. Please forgive me. Please. I'm begging you. Please forgive me.
Please, spare our lives. We were only asked to travel to Rubeleke to save our prince. We never need to be like this.
We are virgins as we stand before you now. And we can swear on our virgin blood that we've never murdered any human before. Please free us.
If you permit us, we shall return to our land. And we will not mention this to anybody.
No. A goldie that you just buried in this hole is our leader. We are helpless without her. Please.
I said you are warriors.
No, we are not warriors. We are maidens from Obagu, Osili. We're traveling to save our prince from the grip of an evil woman. Please save us. Don't harm us. Ego did that just went on her. She's the only maiden warrior we have in Obiago City. She had killed a leopard before. And all the men in Obiago City freely discuss masquerade with her. Please.
And you have seen the way she ended.
That is why we're begging you. Please. We do not want to go under just like her. Please free us.
There is a temple called the Altar of Peace. My twin brother is the priest in that temple. Your colleague is there now. How she handles my twin brother. How she handles my twin brother shall decide your fate. I shall meet you when I shall meet you. I shall meet you when I shall meet you. I shall meet you. Why do I have this feeling that you don't have respect?
That is where you are wrong. Because I am a woman with a good sense of respect. Your brother made an explanation when he finally appeared, and I understood I made a mistake. I went down on my knees, I apologized, but he refused to listen. Instead, he brought me to this temple.
And I'm telling you, you must be sacrificed on this altar today. And what do you mean by that?
I have just said you are a big liar.
You stand on my altar of peace and you call me a liar?
You call this altar of doom an altar of peace? Where you sacrifice gullible maidens? The greatest mistake you've just made is bringing me here. It is better you let me go now, else.
Else what? Do you in any way have affiliation with a shocking power?
I am leaving this temple right now. Do not make any other move.
Behold the blood of my brother that you killed. What makes you think you will leave this forest alive?
I did not kill your brother. I warned him, but he will not listen. I know the value of blood. Go and bury your brother. I do not want to kill both of you.
They already told me that you once killed a leopard. I will
You are the one that put me in this mess. You made me lose my inner sight. Now I cannot see anything anymore.
Remember, I met you blind. You were blinded by the same Okwama that you called your glory. I gave you back your sight because you asked for it.
Of what use is the physical sight to a spiritual man? Restore my inner sight, and I will help you track those evil maidens.
I am only a woman, an apostle of the goddess of the sea. I am not the goddess to assist in the restoration of your inner sight.
Yes, you are not a goddess, but you are the lead apostle to a prominent goddess. And she has taken you to metaphysical functions where you wined and dined with great powers in sacred places. Use that position to restore my inner sight.
I should restore your useless inner sight so you can start seeing me naked again even when I am dressed. It won't happen. Why am I even talking to you?
I know where you can find those maidens.
Where?
Restore my inner sight, and the information is yours.
I stayed back because I was thinking your sight will change when she's gone.
I do not understand what you mean by my sight will change when she's gone.
Do you mean to say you don't know what a man and a woman do together alone.
All I know is I am not me. Both of you are holding me here. I strongly believe you can solve my problems. Why don't you go ahead and solve it?
Don't tell me you don't feel anything at all.
How many times do I have to repeat myself? I feel I am not me. I feel something is missing in me. I feel both of you are manipulating me.
Look at me. Look at me as a woman and tell me you don't feel like holding me, grabbing me, caressing me, making me feel like a complete woman. Tell me.
I have told you all I feel. Those glorious maidens I saw beckoning on me in that ministration. Will I ever see them again?
I am doing everything possible to make you feel like a man. And you are thinking of other maidens. You are just impossible.
I know.
Where are you going to at this ungodly hour of the night?
Mama, I've been thinking all day concerning what you said. And I think it was wrong for me to have refused to follow the maidens on the journey.
So what are your plans? And why are you almost dressed like those other maidens that went on the journey?
You know my plans already. I am following other maidens.
Are you sure you are normal? How could you set out on a journey to Urupeleke this night?
Mama, I have made inquiries already. And I know the shorter way to get there.
Neka, listen. There are some risks you don't have to take. A trip to Urupeleke, to the best of my knowledge, will warrant you pass through Uriol. And you know how dangerous that place used to be. So how are you going to pass through there this night?
Mama, listen. Oriole will only come into the picture if I'm going through Njaba River. And I'm not passing through Njaba River. Wish me good luck, my mother.
So who are the other maidens you are traveling with?
You know me now, mother. I love to do things my own way. I love to go solo. And on this, I will go solo. Goodbye, my mother.
We're doing this for the kingdom and not for the prince.
Exactly what I was planning to say. The elders in council appreciate what we're doing, and that's what counts to me. If the prince decides not to appreciate our efforts, I won't feel sad at all. Who are you?
I have read your minds. You are innocent maidens from Obagu Osile, taking risk for somebody you do not know if he is dead or alive. Because of that, I am not going to attack you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. At least we've seen one man that is friendly.
Don't stop me again when I am speaking. Because you do not know me. I am here to give you friendly advice. You must leave this forest immediately.
Why? You're a noble man to have come all the way to give us advice. There must be a reason you want us to leave this place immediately. But we are tired. We have had a hectic day. And we need some rest so that we can continue tomorrow.
There is a man named Ikuku Omananya who has an evil garden in Orole. He moves like a wolf. You must leave before he returns from that garden.
We do not have any business with that man.
Ikuku will not consider that angle because you are exactly what he needs to keep his evil garden. If you remain here, he will kill you and use your flesh as manure in his ungodly garden. I came because of the dragon of Akbaka. You must find somewhere else to rest.
Egodin, please, let's go.
Why? Why do we have to run from a man we are yet to see?
The man said the evil man uses human flesh as manure.
And I can tell you for a fact that he will use himself as manure in that farm of his, and not any of us. We need to rest. Let's go to sleep.
I can't believe this. Why are we playing with our lives? Why? You're all going to sleep behind the same forest that is evil?
Is anybody here? Hello? My name is Ugbana, and I was directed to you by Obuluzo the giant. There are certain maidens that I must prevent from coming into my territory, and Obuluzo said you are the only one that can do that. Does it mean I was directed to a vampire?
You were directed to the priest of the altar of peace.
Are you the priest?
The priest was my twin brother.
Okay, so where is the priest? I need to see him. I need to see him desperately.
You are still calling them maidens. They are no more maidens. They are warmongers. And they operate with the brutality of men.
You sound as if you have seen them.
I've not just seen them. I have engaged them. And I can confirm to you that they are evil. They killed my twin brother right here in this temple and escaped.
This is very disturbing and very uncomfortable for me. Are they that powerful?
The truth is that they are. But I am bothered about your kind of life.
What do you mean? How do you mean my kind of life?
You are supposed to have won the man before thinking about the maidens. You have not won the man. And you are here laboring over the maidens. You may eventually kill all the maidens. But by the time you return to your abode, the man would have fallen in love with your friend and will not even look at you.
Are you confirming to me right now that Ifedima is having her evil ways with my man?
man standing among.
And what do you want from me?
Please, do you know where Onuyi is?
What are you going to do in Onuyi, if I may ask you?
In the direction I'm going, I was told to go to Oriole. And from Oriole, I should ask someone of Onuyi. And from there I will enter Urubeleke to find the prince of my land. Do you know the place? I can't believe this. Are you not the prince? Come, let's go, come. Please don't kill me! Please don't kill me! I'm innocent! I'm innocent!
You know, I do not want to. But you're a very beautiful woman.
Oh.
Very sexy.
Oh.
Very attractive.
Oh.
Very seductive.
Oh.
Ukbana! Ukbana, what are you doing? Ukbana, what are you doing? You cannot do this!
You are here. Are you the Ikuku? Are you the evil Ikuku we are waiting for?
I wanted to kill you all without showing my face. But you got me curious when you mentioned my name. How did you know about me?
Let us sleep in peace. It is almost morning, and we'll be on our way.
I asked you a question which I believe you have not answered me. How did you know about me?
I know who you are. You are the evil Ikuku, and we can feel the evil breeze. You are the one that uses human flesh as manure in his garden. But I must warn you, we are too big for your garden. The maidens of Obago City are too big for your garden.
It's only mere ignorance that makes the cat think that he can challenge an elephant for wrestling contest. A maiden like you standing before the great Ikukwamano, and you're speaking as such. I must say you do have guts.
I don't know what you are planning, but do not start a war. We may be maidens, but when it comes to war, we fight like warriors. Allow us sleep, and we'll be on our way shortly. Doing that will not cost you anything.
I am here to let you know that when a snake decides to move around like a snail, it becomes food for the hawk. You cannot sleep here.
And you will be insane to think that you can fight a man like Ikuku Amanoya. Because I don't want to believe that you are among those fools who underestimate the willing power of the great Ikuku. Because those who are evil, they parade with the blood edge of supernatural. Who are you? Who sent you? How were you able to stand the great nails of Obioko?
I pleaded with you to let us sleep, but you refused to listen. Now I am going to show you that you do not attack every maiden you see.
Vindicated. I told us to be, but no one would listen to me.
Onye, shut up! The cock will soon crow and we will be on our way.
Ofana, what are you doing? She's the only sister you have. She's the only one I have seen you with. Do you want to kill her?
Where are they? Where am I? And who are you?
Huh? And who are the people you're looking for?
Maidens. 6 maidens that came with some kind of power I have never seen before. They survived the deadly attack of my great Ibyo and threw it back at me. That was the last thing I remember. And the next thing is that I'm here, in this place. Who are you people?
Have you seen your life? Huh? Have you seen your life? Come and fight me. Come and kill me, you shameless. Those are the same maidens you went to prevent from coming here. Instead, you abandoned that task and came here to fight me.
Will you shut up? Ifedima, do not provoke me.
No, you shut up. You are such a disgrace to the ancestral race.
Strange one! Can you please attack me with the Ebioku? I believe I'll be set free from this place if you attack me. Do not say no!
I do not know how you happen to appear here. But your welcome has expired. Leave this place now!
How dare you! How dare you, Ugwana! Attack me with your Biogu! I believe he was sent by my ancestors to free me from this place!
If you try anything funny, you will see me. Leave this place this minute!
Do well to mind your tongue. For the fact that a child does not mean there are no other compromise. You do not give orders with power. This man here is held against his will, and he has appealed to me. I must do something to free. I must do something to free.
Who are you? My prince. I am finally fulfilled setting my eyes on you. The weapon you're asking this man to attack you with cannot free you. You're free when you come to me. Come to me, my prince. Come.
Beautiful maiden of my land. I am so glad you have come to take me. Please take my hands.
Why did you call her a beautiful maiden of your land?
Why would you say something like that? Don't you know that when you say things like that, you begin to make me feel that I am gradually losing my grip on you? No! I can venture into anything!
No! You cannot kill me! Because I do not belong here! I know that maiden! I have seen her before! And I must see her again!
You do not know her! You cannot think of another! You don't! I feel like breathing your flesh!
Why didn't I stick to my first word? Why did I change my mind? Why did I leave Obiago silly?
I want you to understand something. The frowning on the face of the he-goat does not stop him from being taken to the market for sale. Do you know the reason why I suspended you up there? Because I want you to understand that your life is in your hands. Tell me about those evil maidens that attacked me.
And you leave.
That attacked me.
And you leave. But if you dare lie to me, I will make sure that my crocodile have you for breakfast. And you know what? You will be a wonderful meal for my crocodile.
Please, please, help me. I don't want to die. I don't know the people that attacked you.
Don't dare touch that girl. She wasn't one of those who attacked you. She is innocent. Leave her and let her continue her journey, or you face my wrath.
I do not interfere in what you do as Ogbuefi Iwegun and Kete. Why then are you interfering in my matters?
Oh, so you have refused to listen. Yes. You must learn to obey me always, so that you will not be having problems.
When an elderly man exceeds his responsibility, he will be treated like a child. Do you really want to dare me?
Don't forget that you owe me some gratitude for saving your life in the past. Anyone who could save life could equally take life.
What the eyes of the eagle sees from the sky blinds the chicken when it comes closer. Because when a man spends numerous of time talking about success, he wins the prize of failure.
It's only a foolish farmer after farming tied with the life cover, ensuring himself.
Are we going to be in Irupeleke today? Why do you ask?
Because I'm gradually getting sick and tired of this whole thing.
So, would you rather go back to Obiago City?
Adani, please, I beg you, mind your business. The question is not for you because I know you can never give an answer.
Onyinye, why are you picking offenses over everything and everybody here? And if you're sick and tired of this journey like you said, why don't you wait for us here or better still go back to Obiago?
Oh, shut up, Ifenkili. Shut your mouth. I am not talking to you. Let the leader answer the question. going to be in Urupeleke today?
We shall feel the breeze of the land.
What do you mean by getting farther from the point of place?
I am ready to follow you.
Is this what she turned you into? You now cut me off?
Why did you stop? Are we in the land already?
I've never promised to take you to the land. I only promised to take you to the place where the journey will be easier for you. This is the place. You continue the journey, turn to your left, and before sunset, you will get to the place.
Thank you. We cannot thank you enough.
You don't need to thank me. Right from the very first time I set my eyes on you, I knew you represent peace. I am not disappointed at all. May the ancestors guide you to the place that you are going to. If you need to see me in future, ask of Ogbefi Iwabunakete. Someone will get you to me. I forgot to tell you that a maiden from your land named Ini is also embarking on the same journey. I don't know why. She has decided to travel all alone. But I think that some people who know the track very well must have directed her. She may get to Urupeleke before you if you slow down your movement.
I smell mischief. I smell betrayal. Why Nneka will embark on this journey on her own after refusing to come with us is what I cannot ascertain.
Egodi, standing here to discuss this or answering those questions will amount to slowing down on our journey, like the old man said. We must set off immediately.
Adanne, we have just one leader here, and she's Egodi. We respect her for she shows us the way. There is no second in command. We are all equal. So stop imposing yourself as a second in command before you see me.
Onyinye? Onyinye?
Where is this place?
A place you shall be until she returns.
You're the second man I am seeing ever since I was made incomplete as a man. The first man I saw wanted to help me, but she stopped him. So tell me, can you help me? Can you free me? Can you make me regain myself? Why are you looking at me as if you do not want to help me? Aren't you a man like me? You should help me.
She trusts me, and I gave her my word. I do not see myself betraying that.
You value a useless woman more than your fellow man. What kind of a man are you?
Did you hear that voice?
That is obviously your God asking you to help me.
No way, that can never be. The gods I serve here knows that I would never betray someone who trusts me absolutely.
I want to understand you clearly. Do you mean to say you have the power to free me? But you wouldn't do so because of a woman?
Be careful what you say, boy. If I had known you would be asking me useless questions, I would not have allowed her to bring you here in the first place.
Why are you talking like a fool? The young man is under your ministration and is asking you important questions. Answer his questions.
Who are the people you brought here with you to come and manipulate my sacred temple?
I do not understand what you mean. By who are the people I brought here to manipulate your shrine? She brought me here. I do not know where I am.
Now you must leave my temple.
Is that a joke? Leave your temple? Did you not hear me? I said she brought me here. I do not know where I am. And even if I am to leave, I do not know where I would be leaving to.
You do not belong in this land. So therefore, you are coming with me right away.
At this tree is very scary. Has the tree anything to do with the evil woman that killed Onyinye?
This is Ogilisi tree. It remains the only tree that has a direct link to our ancestors. As we have not buried Onyinye as she deserves, to the spirit of our ancestors that live in this tree.
It's not the same Onyinye that we just buried.
Do not be deceived. This is not Onyinye. This is a mirage. The same way you buried that
captive in a shallow grave. That is how I shall bury all of you. All of you in this forest.
Adanne, why did you do that? That was very risky.
I'm sorry, leader. I'm sorry. But that evil woman was beginning to get on my nerves. We die only once.
I am doing this because of the dragon of Abaka stream. You do not belong here.
Where do I go from here?
Keep moving right, and you will find yourself in farmland where 3-foot paths meet. You will see something hanging on a pole. That is the staff of move. Wear it, and you will live to tell the story.
There is only one reason I'm not going to kill you here.
So you can speak. God, please don't kill me. I'm only a maiden from Obiago Silly, embarking on a trip to save a prince.
Shut up and speak no more. The decision to embark on this journey came as an afterthought. A maiden that cannot make an instant decision will never reign as queen in Obiago Silly.
I don't know who you are and why you are attempting to exclude me. The prince in question is the prince of my land, and I genuinely want to save him from the evil woman with the blue eyes.
The maidens that received the blessings of the elders and council are the ones your ancestors recognized. Your presence is a distraction, and I'm not going to allow you to proceed.
Please don't do this. My mother opened my eyes. I didn't know this trip had something to do with the marriage to the prince. I beg you. And I really want to get married to the prince.
You cannot be married to the prince. I'm sending you back to the stream that separates Obiago Silly and Omoriam. Go back to your mother and wait for the coronation.
Not the same one Boko stream from where I fetched water yesterday.
I am here. Are you not the one I'm talking to? Where is the man I left here with you? This person is his sister and she wants to see her brother. Where is the man?
You thought you are smart. You are only smart by half. We are going to teach you the hard way, and you shall know that humans and spirit don't trade together.
that?
That is exactly the same problem I've been having since morning that you brought that young man here. A strange voice has been speaking in my temple, and I don't know what that means.
Whatever strange voice is not for me and can never be for me. Where is the man I left here with you?
I cannot say anything as long as she's here. Let her wait for us outside.
That man in there is the priest of the temple. I left your brother under his custody when I was leaving in the morning. You will wait here. I will go in and find out what he is up to.
This place is so scary.
What do you mean by scary?
I feel as if there are powers hovering in the air. Powers looking at me and looking for an opportunity to kill me.
There is nothing here. You are safe. You are very safe here. Okay? You will wait here for me. Let me go in. I will soon be back.
How did you get here? Why did you throw fire at me?
You will not know because you're already donating yourself to the Mermaid of Ezechi.
How do you mean donating myself to the Mermaid of Ezechi?
Neka, I can only warn you as a brother. Mermaid is not good. Neka, among all the goddesses that live in the sea, the mermaid is the most dangerous and the saddest. The mermaid can never give you any good gift. Whatever the mermaid gives you with the right hand, she takes back with the left hand in double folds.
I am here learning a new dance step on my own. And why are you telling me about Mermaid?
Learning dance indeed. I see it in your eyes. You are already possessed by the spirit of the mermaid because you've shown interest in their dancing steps. Let me warn you, Neka. A day is coming you are going to come face to face with the mermaid. I warn you again. When that day comes, learn to use your head or you will go down with the mermaid.
What did I get myself into? Why did I come back with this woman? How am I sure she's not the mermaid the man was talking about?
Come on, Ikenga. Think. Why is it so difficult for you to understand a simple thing? I know why I brought the maiden. Once he sees her, he will be normal again.
That maiden you brought with you also dreams of a life with the prince. In fact, her mother once had a revelation where she's married to the prince. And to fulfill that revelation is why she's here. So what makes you think she would freely let him be with you.
You of all people should know that she is just a dreamer. Once I achieve what I intend to achieve with her, I shall kill her immediately. I shall kill her. By the way, where's the man I left with you?
That which is bigger than the cricket has found its way into the home of the cricket. It started slowly, and then I realized that it came with him.
You're not making meaning to me. I don't understand what you're saying. Come on, Ikenga. Do you want me to lose my mind? Where is the young man I brought here for safekeeping?
He was asking me loads of useless questions. His aura was contaminating my temple. And it was clear to me that if I allowed him to stay, his presence would destroy something. So I had no other option than to send him out.
My goodness. You did what?
You heard exactly what I said. That young man's presence was gradually destroying my temple. He was not qualified to be in this temple, just like this one you just brought. I started hearing strange voices, so I had to send him out.
To where?
From the highway of peace. Anyone that genuinely needs peace will find it there. I sent him out through the door of smoke. I am sure that if you go down there, you would find him. Most importantly, I directed him to where he will find the staff of move.
If I fail in my quest to marry him, you will see me.
We are in this mess in the first place because you refused to give me yourself. Continue to fool yourself with a young man. Even if later you give me yourself, I will not take.
I had something to do with the god of iron. Stop lusting after me, because you can never have
me. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes.
My eyes are shut.
Are you sure? Tell me what I just did.
How can I know what you just did? My eyes are shut.
That's because you're seeing with your physical eyes. My lord, I am going to marry you. And when I do, I will spoil you. And then your inner eyes shall be open.
My future is not here. I do not know where this place is.
That's because you're still blind. I am your future, and I shall make you happy.
What kind of rubbish is this? This is the smoke highway he said he left my man. Then where is he now? Ikenga is surely trying to bring out the beast in me. Okay.
Evil woman with the blue eyes. Don't move. We want to have a word with you.
How dare you? How dare you have the audacity to stand in my territory and refer to me as an evil woman? How dare you?
We have experienced your replica countless of times. We are convinced that this is the real you. Show us where you're hiding our prince. Release him and we will live in peace. Refuse? We will take you apart. Bone by bone, ligament by ligament.
What kind of a stupid dance is that?
I will have time for you soon.
What I get from you now is that you were the one who actually... You are the dragon of Akbaka Stream. I am the Olu of Obago City, a man of tradition. I know I have not offended the gods. So to what do I owe the honor of this manifestation? Yourself. Next time, don't run faster than your chi.
I can't believe you were in the belly of that beast.
Huh? Mama, see, it was a very comfortable place.
Comfortable place?
It did not look like the belly of anything. Mama, let me tell you something. I experienced a lot of things between yesterday and today. Now I know that there are things that are around us that we do not see and know. Mama, it was so comfortable.
What is the meaning of this? Everything is tearing apart. Those lousy maidens are there in the smoke highway threatening their grandmother and not me. The man I left in your custody is nowhere to be found. Can you explain all of this to me?
Calm down, Obana. You are lucky that you brought a scapegoat.
What is the meaning of that?
Bring me the maiden you brought. We shall use our eyes to attract him from wherever he is.
Are you saying that he is still within our reach?
If I were you, I would not be asking questions. Just bring me the maiden.
Where is this girl?
Hello? Hello? Beautiful maiden! Where are you? We have found your brother. Hello? Maiden!
beautiful maiden.
Are we equally going to bury Ruka here? Are we taking her with us?
We are maidens of Obagu Osili. We are looking for our prince. And we believe he is where you're coming from. Have you seen him?
If you want to find your prince, then you must locate a lady named Ifedima, for she is the one keeping the prince now.
I see you are a priest. That is why I am talking to you. I am Egodi. I lead this group of warriors. Please, talk to us. Tell us where we can find this Ifedima you speak of.
Ikenga, I'm losing my head. Come out now and attend to me. The girl is nowhere to be found. Come out and tell me what to do. Ikenga, if I finally lose my head, I will burn this temple. I will set this whole temple ablaze. Come out now and tell me what I must do.
The man you seek is gone. He never believed in your cause, and that is why he has testified against you.
Who are you? And what do you mean by he testified against me? Who is gone and gone where?
Maidens of Obagos.
True. What makes you think you can live here alive? I ran away because I didn't want a fight. You were lucky to have escaped my brutality. Do not overstretch your luck. Now, get out of my way. I can't believe this. Are you talking to me? Do you want to die? Do you want to die?
Zemene Bava. Zobiala Buava. Mana kwasina mwa gidi do ka bia na ai. Okwono na kadim waji we vunyelo kamba we wanya bia na. Delu delele odezulibo. We have lost 2 maidens already. The remaining 4 are passing through a difficult time. The evil woman with blue eyes has not given up. she still believes our prince is her husband. She is making every attempt to destroy those maidens so that she will have our prince as her husband.
Please, Monisi, I don't want that to happen. It's unfortunate that we have already lost 2 maidens, and we don't want to lose more. We are here for them, and they are there for us. Tell me, what is it going to cost? I want them protected.
No matter how heavy a load will be, man must carry it. Ulokonelu. Olu kambe nwoke apela mi ji atuwa nwanyi me o.
Monisi. Monisi.
Akwebili soke monsu ru ogbede. Ebunenano. Give me 4 rams, and we shall know what to do.